In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually see who has blocked you on Instagram. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your Instagram account. Now, for this tutorial and to actually see who has blocked you on Instagram, you are going to need two accounts. You're first going to go onto your search and you're going to search an Instagram account that you believe has blocked you on one of your accounts. So let's say I look up Kylie Jenner, and as you can see, Kylie Jenner comes up on the search bar. Now, if you go onto your second account and search the same username, if the option does not come up like so, that means that that account has blocked you on Instagram. It's a very simple process, but you do have to suspect that someone has blocked you to actually get this to work. But that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.